Let's prepare another healthy recipe today. Ito siya, very flavorful but very healthy at the same time. Vegetable and tofu curry. Let's start cooking. So I'm boiling here some potatoes kasi in my vegetable curry, I like to have potatoes and I like them na sobra talaga niyang malambot, no? So I can mash it with my rice. Pero ito siya, I'm just waiting for my potatoes to cook fully with a little salt. So we will cook the potatoes and we will add the cauliflower at the last minute just to blanch it. So, my potatoes are done. Ito, malambot na siya for sure. Yes, it's fork tender. Now, I will add my cauliflower. Just cook it for a minute or so. Yan, kasi lulutuin pa naman natin siya sa ating curry, no? My cauliflower is done. I will just strain this off. And using the same pot, a little bit of oil, and we will just saute our aromatics. Ginger, onions, garlic, and tomatoes. Yan, napakadali. Season with a little salt. If you want it to be spicy, you can add yung siling pangsigang. But I have here dried chili flakes. If you don't want it to be vegan, you use patis, no, para mas malasa siya. And now, I will add my curry powder. Of course, we can buy curry powder in our groceries and supermarkets kahit sa palengke. So, you're just omitting the chicken here. Usually, chicken curry tayo, di ba? Ito siya, healthier. No? Add some water or stock. No? Let that simmer. And I will also add my coconut milk. So, what we're doing right now, you want the flavor to develop. Ha? So, I will let that simmer. Ito mabilis lang maluto dahil nga ito it's already blanched. Now, I will add my cauliflower and potatoes and continue to cook. I will add my tofu. Ang bilis maluto ng tofu, no? You can fry it if you want, pero ako, I don't like it to be fried pag ganito siya. That's why I'm using firm tofu. And I have a mix of green and red bell peppers. Wait, stir ko lang. Combine my green and red bell peppers. It's going to be so delicious. Season with more salt or patis, pepper. So we want to cook everything until all the flavors come together. Yan, very nice. So our curry is done. And ito siya, oh. Very nice color, no? It has become more intense. All the flavors have come out. If you want to have a more intense coconut flavor, you can just add a little bit of sugar. Kasi yung sweetness niya will bring out the coconut flavor, no? Turn off the heat. You can let it cook down pa if you want it to be thicker. But for me, I love the sauce. Kaya ito, scoop out natin. And masarap dito na recipe na to is because if you have leftovers the next day, mas lalo pa siyang sasarap. So what you can do, you can make a big batch of this, divide it into portions, and have it any time of the week, no? So parang 3 times in 1 week kakainin mo. 1, magluto ka ng rice. Magluto ka ng rice sa iyong rice cooker. Then you pour this over. Pag malapit na siya maluto, i-toss mo. Oh, may biryani ka na agad, di ba? Taste, taste, taste. Ako, potato and the tofu. Wow. Sarap to din. May salad ka on the side. Perfect na meal. Ating recipe for today, vegetable and tofu curry. Simple! Please like and share my videos. And if you like more recipes like this, please click here to subscribe. And don't forget to hit the bell button to get notified. Simple!